We're doing a 5-minute indoor walk together. I'm Sandra. I'm so glad you're here. Let's start marching on the spot. For minutes 2 and 4, I'll be picking up a set of light dumbbells, so you could join me with that or just keep going with your march. We're standing tall, pumping arms. Think about core engagement, a little bit of a scoop in the lower abs, navel toward the spine. Lift the sternum, crown of the head to the ceiling, and go at the pace that works for you. And throughout the 5 minutes, you can stay in one spot. You could do a bit of forward and back, depending on how much room you have. Just make sure you know what's behind you. If you're joining me with the light dumbbells, let's pick those up. Mine are 4 pounds. And you can either keep pumping your arms or just have them alongside your body. Taking care of heart health, cardiovascular health. This is good for our bones and overall fitness. For the next minute, we'll put the dumbbells back down. If you want to change things up, you can come into a little bit of a crouch, hips move back, little bend in the knees, maybe a little bit faster pace. You can alternate standing up tall, coming down low. As we come down low, we're keeping that chest lifted, eyes forward, not rounding. Picking up dumbbells. Studies show that these movement breaks, exercise snacks put into our day are really great for our overall health. And the dumbbells can go down. We're already into our last minute. After this minute, we'll do a couple of stretches. Keeping the shoulders back and down. nice work. Let's do some heel taps forward. We'll just let our heart rate, our breathing rate come down a little bit here before we hold in some stretches. You could swing your arms. Just lift the toes as you tap your heels, getting a bit of a stretch into those calf muscles. Four, three, two, one. Let's stand with one foot forward, one foot back, toes pointing forward. Pyramid position, hands on hips. Just hinge forward slightly at your hips, pushing that back heel down. Big inhales and exhales. Again, our back is neutral. Keep your feet as they are, lift the upper body, put a little bend in your forward knee. Again, push the back heel down. Feeling a gentle stretch into the back calf muscle. And then we'll go into a hamstring stretch for the forward leg. You could always have hand on a wall. And we'll bring the hips back, lift the front toe. Again, we're hinging forward. Gentle stretch. And bring those toes down, lift up, switch your feet. Starting with that pyramid position, and then hinge from your hips, bring your upper body forward. Notice your breath. Lift the upper body. Little bend into the forward knee. Push that heel down, feeling the gentle stretch. We don't want the stretches to feel too intense, just a nice gentle sensation. And then hamstring stretch for the front leg. We bring the hips back, front toe lifts. Just hinging forward. Find a spot to focus. Have another breath. And lifting up. Wonderful work. If you would like some more mobility, flexibility, and stretching, I'll link a couple videos here and in the description box below. Thanks so much for being here. If you enjoyed this, hit like and comment if you would like more of these walking together workouts. We could do outdoor as well. Have an amazing day.